Hey, good morning. So today I want to talk about when you find content and how to find content. Now, granted, I've shared with you my 30 idea starters, but there's also other ways that you can find content as well. For instance, I often go back to my blog posts and I look and see what I can expand on. So, for instance, I have an article that I did a how to section on how to post social media. So now I can go back and I can specifically pull out something like Instagram and the best ways to use Instagram and hashtags. Now, granted, the algorithm changes ridiculously all the time, and new things are always in the works with either Facebook or Instagram. Facebook owns Instagram, or with partners like Tailwind. So, for instance, Tailwind came out with something new yesterday where you can actually link your posts to a hyperlink within your feed. So this is a really big deal. It's excellent. I highly recommend using Tailwind for all your Pinterest and your Instagram posts. It will really save you a lot of time, energy, and you'll get a lot of views. So try Tailwind.